Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to deactivate Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. After entering your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. It will take you directly to Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down in Settings and choose the Account Center option from here. From the Account Center, go into Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control from the Personal Details. After that, choose the Deactivation or Deletion option from here. Then select the account that you want to deactivate. After that, pick the Deactivated Account option and tap on Continue. Lastly, enter your account's password and tap on Continue. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.